Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are discussing about quantum mechanics class. So we have already studied about the wave function and probability. Next we want to find the what you mean by most probable value. So most probable value in which the probability is maximum. That is meant by most probable value. Okay. So that is meant by most probable value. So for that we know that probability, that is integral psi star psi dx. So the most probable value, that is the probability is maximum. Probability is maximum when this integrand is maximum. Integrand is maximum to find the value, that is at which value the integrand is maximum, when that is dou by dou x of psi star psi is equal to 0. Okay. And also dou by dou r of psi star psi r square is equal to 0. These two conditions can be followed to find the most probable value. This is in the case of if the function it is spherical and you have to that is radial, the function is radial, so it can be used this formula. Otherwise you can use this formula to find the most probable value. So there is an example to find the most probable value of the wave function, hydrogen wave function, 1 by under root pi a naught cube e raised to minus r by a naught, and we have to find the probability, probable maximum point. So that is most probable value. So for that, dou by dou r psi star psi into r square equate with 0. That is 1 by pi a naught cube e raised to minus 2r by a naught into r square equate with 0. So derivative of this function is first function into derivative of second plus second function into second function into derivative of first, that is minus 2r by a naught into minus 2 by a naught. Okay, so this is equated with 0. So we got that is 2r e raised to minus 2r by a naught equal to 2r square by a naught e raised to minus 2r by a naught. So this will be cancelled, 2 cancel, r cancel. So r is equal to a naught. This is the point which the most probable value at which the probability is maximum. So this is the idea to find the most probable value. Next we have to study about the expectation value. Expectation value, so that is average value. So for to find the expectation, integral psi star a psi dx divided by integral psi star psi dx. For that it is normalized, the integral psi star psi dx is equal to 1. So these in which we have to find the expectation value of operator. Position operator is position only. Moment operator, that is minus ih cut dou by dou x, and px square is minus h cross square dou square by dou x square, and e square e is equal to minus plus ih cut dou by dou t. So you have to familiarize these operators. This is very important to find the expectation value of position, momentum and energy, like that. So there is an example to find the expectation value of r in the wave function of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen wave function, that is 1 by under root pi a naught cube e raised to minus r by a naught. Expectation of r is this is normalized, so the denominator is equal to 1. So integral psi star r cap psi dr. So dr is not there. So if you consider radial, you have to consider d tau. So integral psi star r cap psi d tau is r square dr sin theta d theta d phi, and psi star r psi star psi is 1 by pi a naught cube e raised to minus 2r by a naught. R is there, so r cube dr sin theta d theta is integrate from 0 to pi, that is 2. D phi is 2 pi integration, so 4 pi is there. So 4 pi divided by pi a naught cube can be taken outside. So e raised to minus 2r by a naught r cube dr. So integral from 0 to infinity. This is a gamma function, that is n factorial divided by a raised to n plus 1. So 4 by a naught cube n factorial, that is 3 factorial divided by a raised to a in terms of 2 by a naught all power n plus 1, that is 4. So 3 factorial is 6 now. So this is 4 into 6 divided by a naught cube into 2 power 4 into a naught all power 4, that is a naught here. So 2 power 4, 2 power 2 is the 4 here, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 a naught is the answer for this question to find the expectation value. So this is the method to find the expectation value. Okay, and also some tricks are there to find the expectation value of a Gaussian wave function. To find the position expectation of Gaussian wave function as like this, a e raised to minus half alpha square x square. So this is center is equal to the expectation of x, and expectation of x square is denominator by 4 plus center square will give you the expectation of x square. So if you consider the wave function is like this, you taken the coefficient in the denominator, only x component can be in the numerator. So denominator is alpha square. So there is also 2 is there, so 2 alpha square. 2 is in the denominator, so alpha can be taken in the denominator, that is 2 by alpha square divided by 4 means into 1 by 4 plus center square is 0, so that is 1 by 2 alpha square is given the expectation of x square. So the trick is, if you given the Gaussian function, we have to find the expectation of x square as denominator by 4 plus center square. So you have given with the wave function of another Gaussian function as a e raised to minus 2 by sigma square x div minus x naught all square. So here we know that the center is x naught, so the expectation of x is equal to center, that is x naught, and expectation of x square is denominator by 4 plus center square. So for that we only considering in the numerator x square only, so you have to take it outside. So we can take in as 2 outside, so sigma square divided by 2 denominator by 4, so that is 1 by 4 plus center square is x naught square. So sigma square divided by 8 plus x naught square will give you the expectation of x square. This is the trick behind if the function is Gaussian function. Next we have to find the Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger equation, it is very important in quantum mechanics. That is, we know that energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, and that is p square by 2m plus v of r. And if you substitute it in the operator, that is I h equal dou psi by dou t minus h cross square by 2m dou square by, that is del square plus v of r. So if you put the psi is the psi also here, so we got that is I h equal dou psi by dou t, that's equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square plus v into psi. This is h, so I h equal dou psi by dou t, that's equal to h psi. This is Hamiltonian. This is time dependent Schrodinger equation. Okay, so this is time dependent Schrodinger's equation, and when we come to the time independent equation, that is h psi is equal to e psi that is time independent equation. HSI is equal to ESI, that is time independent equation of Schrodinger equation. HSI is equal to SI, and you have to study here that is time independent equation, that is IH equal dou psi by dou t is equal to HSI, and H is a Hamiltonian, that is minus H cross square divided by 2m del square plus V. And what is the application to find the what is the application of Schrodinger equation? To find the current density. Current density is J, can be get from the formula H cross divided by 2im psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. Also we have two tricks are there, that is H cross by m, imaginary part of psi star del psi, and J is equal to H cross k by m mod amplitude square. So these are the formulas to find the current density if the wave function is given. So if you are given with a wave function a e raised to I kx, so this trick is the J is equal to H cross k by m mod amplitude square. That will give you the current density of the wave function. So formula is to be learnt for the exam. And next application, to study to find the energy and potential. So for that, if you given with a wave function psi, we know that the time dependent Schrodinger equation, that is IH equal dou psi by dou t is equal to E psi. So from that you got the energy, and after that you have to put then the minus H cross square del square psi plus V of r into psi is equal to E psi. So from that you got the potential. So if you considering the problem, so there is an example we have to do here, that is the problem is given as sin pi x divided by a e raised to minus I omega t is a wave function, psi is given. So we have to find the energy. For that IH equal dou psi by dou t is equal to E psi. So dou psi by dou t, that's equal to sin pi x by a e raised to minus I omega t into minus I omega. So this is psi only, so psi into minus I omega, so minus I omega psi, so IH cross into minus I omega into psi is equal to E psi. So psi cancel, psi into I minus, so that is H cross omega is equal to E. So this is energy we got from this question. And after, you know that minus H cross square divided by 2m del square psi plus V psi is equal to E psi. From that you got the potential. So for that del square psi we have to do. So del psi is equal to e raised to minus I omega t into sin pi x by a derivative, that is cos pi x by a into pi a, and e raised to minus I omega t is the derivative. Del square psi is cos pi x by a derivative, that is minus sin pi x by a into pi square divided by a square. So this is psi, so minus psi pi square divided by a square is del square psi. So minus h cross, when we substitute this in this, minus h cross square divided by 2m del square psi is minus psi pi square divided by a square. V psi is equal to h cross omega psi. Psi can be cancelled in anything, and h cross square pi square divided by 2ma square plus V equal to h cross omega. So V is equal to h cross omega minus h cross square pi square divided by 2ma square will give you the potential energy. Okay, so this is all about the application 2. Okay, so keep learning, and thank you for watching. Okay.